In this tutorial, you'll learn how to move contacts through your pipeline in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've installed the Stages app from the marketplace. Then click Inbox in the left sidebar to navigate to your inbox. You'll notice the Stages menu has appeared right here in the inbox sidebar, ready to go. Now just drag and drop any conversation from your inbox directly into the stage you want to assign it to. It's that simple. You can also organize and reorder your pipeline stages with the press of a button to match your exact workflow. Once you're happy with how your stages look, click the Stages app in the main sidebar or hit View Tabular Form in the inbox to open the full Stages menu. From here, you can add brand new contacts or pull in existing ones directly into any stage. As your contacts move through the pipeline, just drag and drop them from one stage to another, nice and easy. And if you hover over these icons on a contact's banner, you can quickly edit their details, mark them as done, add notes, or jump straight into a call or message. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.